Hello, good afternoon, everybody. I am once again here with the short lecture of second semester basic mechanical engineering. And in the last few lectures, I have nearly covered up all the topics that were remaining in our syllabus, including the reciprocating machines, in which the thermal efficiency of the internal combustion engine or Otto cycle I have derived with the help of the derivation on the blackboard you might have seen in the last lecture. And it was nothing but eta is equals to 1 up minus 1 upon RC or R gamma minus 1 or R minus 1, where RC was the compression ratio and gamma was the ratio of the specific heats at constant pressure and constant volume. Now, I have asked you all to derive the efficiency for the diesel or the constant pressure cycle for compression ignition engine, that is the diesel engine, and I said it varies with little bit fraction, that is cutoff ratio, that is rho. So I do hope you might have derived the expression for efficiency for the diesel engine, and it came it may have you might have obtained the expression, that is 1 minus 1 upon RC to the power of gamma minus 1 rho to the power gamma minus 1 upon rho minus 1 bracket into RC, where rho is your cutoff ratio, which is nothing but equal to compression ratio, that is V1 upon V2. Okay, so there was not much difference. You have to consider all the formulas as same, and instead of compression ratio that was very similar from one point to another point, as that is cutoff ratio equivalent to compression ratio, and you have to replace RC by rho in that derivation, so you will get that same expression. So from the derivation point of view, the thermal efficiency for diesel cycle and petrol cycle is generally asked in the examination of Rajiv Gandhi Pradyogiki Vishwavidyalaya, that is our university. So you please try to obtain this expression. It is same, only you have to consider the cutoff ratio in that particular thing. So expression you might have obtained. Now I am going into the numerical problems based on these formulas. So I am just dictating the formula questions, numerical questions, as well as the formula, and I am subsequently giving the answers, and they are all formula based questions, and I am telling the formula also. And in the subsequent lectures I will be solving this numerical problem also, but you try yourself as we used to do in the classroom. After covering the topic, I used to write the formulas on the blackboard on which the numericals were based, and you follow the same procedure of giving to find out and solution, and write down the formula which is to be used. Okay,